Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hi all. Today we'll be discussing on which flooring material is good for the construction. Okay, especially in the buildings, we'll be using a flooring material. Okay, among that we have three varieties. Okay, that is three types of materials are there. One is granite flooring, tiles flooring, and marble flooring. Okay, so we'll be knowing about the advantages of flooring materials one over the other as well as the disadvantages in this session. Okay, if you not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon before going to start this video. So in this session, okay, we'll be taking a first a granite flooring. We'll list out the advantages of granite flooring. Okay, later we'll find out the disadvantages or the other materials and the disadvantages of other materials as well as the advantages of these materials will be discussed here. First one, okay, initially we'll be starting with the granite flooring. Okay, major advantages we'll discuss. First one, it is natural material. It will be manufactured or it is generated from the quarries. This is from the stones. There are varieties of granites are available in a color, size, shape, okay, and the finishing will be done. This is the first advantage, that is it is a natural stone. Second is, as the granites are available in different sizes, okay, for example we may be getting a size of 4 feet by 10 feet, 3 feet by 10 feet, 3 feet by 8 feet. Sometimes it may be around 6 feet by 12 feet. Okay, these are the available sizes of the granite, okay, which can be used in the flooring. Okay, because of this different sizes or the higher sizes, that means the 10 feet length is available. Okay, the joints in the flooring is very less. Joints in the flooring is very less as compared to other one, and it doesn't require any polish. Once if it fits in a building, okay, the polishing will be done before the fixing of these materials. Okay, generally the manufacturer will polish these materials and later they will set. Okay, this is the another advantage, polishing is not required later. And the fifth advantage is, these are hard material, durable, as well as sometimes the granite with higher scratch proof. Okay, sometimes these are scratch proof also. Scratch proof is also available. Okay, these are the major advantages of granite flooring. Okay, whereas in the next material is the tiles flooring. First advantages is, this is artificial. Okay, it is also, we should treat this as artificial because when it comes to the environmental point of view, okay, you can use the scrap material to manufacture the tile flooring or the tiles. Okay, even the marble powder can be used, granite powder can be used to manufacture the tiles. So it is artificial. I will be treating it as a advantage itself. Second one, the cost is less as compared to the granite as well as marble. Third one, sizes are generally 2 feet by 2 feet, 3 feet by 3 feet, sometimes 2 feet by 4 feet, 2 feet by 5 feet, like that we are getting in the market. And nowadays we are getting 4 feet by 8 feet also. Okay, these different sizes of the material are available, but the general use is around 2 feet by 2 feet and 2 feet by 4 feet are the available. Okay, and there is a lot of competition is there in the manufacturer also. Again, no need to go for polishing. It is another advantage. And as it is a artificial, manufacturing will be taken care, and the cracks are very less. Cracks are less. And next advantages is the texture, or we can call it as a general term design, okay, or the finish will not vary from one tile to another tile. These are the advantages of the tiles flooring. And the third one is marble flooring. Here in the marble flooring, this is first advantage is cost is less. Obviously earlier we used to use the marbles everywhere, but nowadays the marbles are becoming outdated because of its softness, as well as the another disadvantage is it requires a polishing in some days. And another advantage of marble flooring or marble is you can make the sculptures also. That is, you can make any type of arts or articulates you can in these type of material, marble. Okay, and another advantage of this marble is it's a finish. Okay, you can, if you want the finish, in that case you will be going for, or you may be going for the polishing also. Okay, you can bring the glaze once again if after 2-3 years, if you want the glaze on the marble, okay, still you can go for the polishing and you can bring the glaze as it was there in the earlier. Okay, that is another advantage. There is no much advantage of marble over those two materials. Okay, next will be finding the disadvantages of these. Okay, here first disadvantage of granite is it's a natural. As I said, the mining will be done and it affects the environment. Second one, cold in nature. The surface of the granite is cold in nature. That is another disadvantage. I can treat this as a disadvantage. And the third one, the cost is high as compared to tiles and marble. And fourth one, there are the chances of natural cracks, as these are the natural stones. There are the chances of natural cracks after fitting also, but no need to worry much about the cracks. And another disadvantage is the texture or the surface designs may be different. It changes from one sheet to another sheet, as it is a natural, I said, as it is a natural material, it will not be getting the same design on all the sheets. Okay, that is another one disadvantages. Okay, these are the some disadvantages of granite flooring. And when it comes to tiles, some disadvantages are there, that too very less disadvantages as compared to the granite. Here it is a artificial, you know this one. Okay, as the time being the glaze of the tiles may get reduced. Okay, apart from that the polishing will not be possible in a time being. Okay, if after 2-3 years if you want bring the glaze back, that is not possible in the tiles flooring. Okay, as it is hard, durable, everything will be there. Okay, if it requires, another one thing is that it requires a proper skilled labor. As the fixing should be done carefully, there must not be any chances of mistakes while fixing the tiles flooring. Okay, so once if it is fixed very well, no need to worry, as it requires hardly very less labors as compared to the granite as well as the marble flooring. But once it is fixed very carefully, then no need to worry about the tiles flooring, as the disadvantages are very less as compared to the granite as well as the marble. Okay, and apart from that we have another one material, that is the marble flooring. Okay, even the advantage is also less, and sometimes when it comes to the marble flooring the disadvantages are also less. Okay, so first one major disadvantage, it's a softness. It is a soft material, the chances of breakage may be happen. Okay, and second one, it is also a natural material. Third one, it requires the polishing. Okay, and fourth one, it is a reactive. It changes its color when something happens, or if you use the acids on the marble flooring, there is obviously the marble material is reactive. This may change its color, or purely or naturally it may get damaged due to the reactives. Okay, so these are the major disadvantages of marble flooring. Okay, after discussing on the advantages and disadvantages of these many materials, okay, granite, tiles flooring and the marble flooring, okay, what I suggest is, if you want to make a green building, obviously we should not go for the granite flooring, as it is a huge mining will be done. Okay, one disadvantage is the cost is also high. Okay, the cold in nature, the texture may not match. Okay, in that case we will be going for the artificial. The glaze may reduce, you can even rechange also, as the cost of the tiles flooring is very less. Polishing is not possible, but nowadays we are getting many glazed tiles for flooring. Okay, it requires a proper skill labor. Obviously if it is fixed very well, okay, it can be more durable than the granite as well as marble also. I'll not be able to suggest this one, because as it is a natural, obviously it affects the environment. I'll not suggest this one. The polishing is required. Okay, it takes time as well as the cost also. As it is a reactive, it reacts with the acids. Okay, so obviously we should not suggest the marble for any type of flooring or anywhere in the building. Okay, whereas its softness, it may break very early. Okay, so one thing, the durability is the strength. High strength material is granite, but it will not be artificial material. It is the environment. It is a natural. The huge mining will be done. Okay, so I'll not suggest the environment. It affects the environment, so I'll not suggest the granite flooring. When it comes to the tiles flooring, there are variety of materials are there. Okay, you can go for that. These are the artificial. Sometimes it may affect environment very less, because they'll be using sometimes the granite powder, or as well as the marble powders will be used. Okay, that too. Okay, if you start practicing or start using the tiles material, that will affects, or that will be more helpful for the environment also. Okay, so based on these discussion, okay, so I can conclude that we can go for the tiles flooring, because the glaze is also good. Okay, fixing will be very easy. Okay, labor, the cost of fixing is also less as compared to the tiles flooring fixing cost is very less as compared to the granite as well as the marble flooring. Okay, you can go for the tiles flooring. This will be my conclusion. Okay, if you really like this video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for upcoming notifications. Thank you.